Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful green eyeshadow look using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette that I got in my TJ Maxx haul. So this look is very simple and I only used 4 colors. And after I completed it, I was like, what? Because normally I go extreme and use anywhere from 6 to 10 colors. So using only 4 was pretty good for me. And it still looked really good. So if you want to see how I created this look, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, here we go. Eyes are all prepped with concealer and setting powder. And I'm going to start with the color Poof. So today we just got back home and we were at my parents' and had my family's Christmas. And I got a bunch of clothes. Now the problem is my 15-year-old wears my clothes too. Every gift that I opened that was clothing, she would look at me and be like, ooh. And I'd look at her and be like, no, 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 no. Don't even think of it, girl. Because she was thinking she was going to wear all of my new clothes. Now we are going to move on to the color Potion. So I'm going to work this color right in that crease. But every time my daughter says she's going to borrow my clothing, I basically will never see it again. Her room has a permanent layer of clothing on it. So if my clothing goes into her room and goes on that floor, I will never see it again. Now, I might see it again, but it's going to be weeks to months later. But I pretty much won't see it. And a lot of times I'll see her wearing clothing and I'll be like, that's my shirt. It's been missing for months. And she's like, yep, I took it. And I'm like, oh. So now I pretty much know if I can't find my shirt or any piece of clothing, that girl's got it. Now I'm doing my usual step of putting my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil down. All right, now I'm going to use the color Power Cut. I'm going to put that all over the lid. Alexis! 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 What are you doing? It sounds like you have an avalanche going on. Sorry for all the yelling, but I was trying to figure out what was going on, and it's probably your big heaping pile of clothing falling over. All right, now I'm going to use the color Inside Job. So I'm going to work this color in the outer corner of my eye. Now, I just got out of the shower, but while I was in the shower, I heard my daughter come in and say something about clothing, and I was like, what? What'd you just say? And then she started laughing and cackling, and I knew right away. She was stealing my clothing. She was stealing all my clothes that I just got for Christmas. Ah, that little thief. So I'm really enjoying the simplicity of this look. Again, very simple, 4 colors, and it's looking really good. All right, so the last step is I'm going to take that crease color again and just run my brush through it again just to blend out any harsh lines. And now it is cleanup time. All right, here is the final look. I think it looks really good, and I really enjoy this palette. I think it's beautiful. If you can get your hands on it, get it. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!